And a price prediction. I gave you a picture perfect short that we just touched on, and we managed to dump all the way. And right now I'm interested in buying some ENA. I will not waste a second of your time. I will start with the ENA price prediction instantly, and this is the target I have for right now, 6351. I'm entering the long right now. Obviously, this video is no financial advice, and I'll talk a little bit about my plan and the TPO. So when we zoom out and we have the TPO, we can see that basically the last point of control that was very strong was 6469, and the very early low was 6394. So I think that a lot of people have these levels because these are lows in mind. So I just want to take a quick scalp before that. Yes, if we inverse that, we can go continue up, but this will be absolutely enough for me considering the daily ATR. If you're wondering how I'm up to 174 grand from meme coins, which I've talked about a lot in my previous videos, use the link in the description down below to learn more. See you next video. Have fun.